Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to equip Mystic skills in Where Winds Meet. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and navigate to the menu and then select Develop. Under Develop, click on the option Mystic Skills, and you should be able to see the Mystic skills you've currently unlocked, as well as the places where you're going to deploy the Mystic skills to. Now, if you've unlocked both of these wheels, you should be able to add up to 8 Mystic skills. However, as you can see, I only have the ability to add 2. So now all you need to do to add a Mystic skill is simply select it and then click on the location where you want to put it. Once you've done that, simply select Deploy, and that's where the Mystic skill is going to go. You can do the same thing for other Mystic skills, whether it's an area buff or even just a simple support Mystic skill. Just simply press Deploy and it will be placed there. If you want to replace a Mystic skill once you've successfully deployed it, just select that option and then choose another Mystic skill and it will be successfully replaced. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.